Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can cancel the autoplay option on your Disney Plus. So if you want to stop the autoplay option, you can simply go to the top right corner, and from here on you can go to edit profiles. So in the edit profiles, please select the profile that you want to turn off autoplay for. So for example, I only have one profile. I can go in this profile, and if I scroll down, I'm going to see the autoplay option right here, and I can simply click here to turn it toggle off or toggle on. So this is how you can turn off your autoplay on your Disney Plus, and now you can go back to watch your content. So I hope this was helpful and this answered your question. Thank you so much for watching.